Hello students, in this video we are going to see about the step-by-step fractions, that is alternative, positive and negative if you have, that is the case 4. Okay, let me explain you this problem. 1 the whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. So let's see how the shortcut is applied over here. So first of all, what we will write in the numerator 1, 3, and how many steps are there here? Here we have 2 steps are there. So we are going to place here the 2 dashes over here. Then we have to look carefully here what sign is placed here. So this is the first step dash and this is second step dash, right? So here you have the minus sign. So you have to perform the minus sign between them. So you will be getting 3 minus 1, that is 2. The next, in the second blank, you have to look out this sign where you have here the positive sign. So in that case, what you're going to do, you're going to add these two values, which gives me here 2 plus 3, that is 5. So my answer will be here, it is 2 by 5. It's very easy, no? Without any long calculation. Now let's look on to the second problem. So here in this one, the whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3. Here you have. So first of all, this 1 I will be writing over here, then 3. Then look out the dashes here. We have to place 1 and 2. 2 dashes to be placed over here. For the first dash, look out the sign, what sign you have here, plus. So we have to do the calculation between them is plus, that is 3 plus 1. You will be getting here 4. Then for the second dash, look out the sign over here, that is the minus. So now we are going to place the minus sign between them, 4 minus 3. So when you do 4 minus 3, I'll be getting here 1. Then my answer will be 4 by 1, which is nothing but 4. It's very easy to apply the shortcut. Now let's move on to the third problem. In this third problem also we have here step-by-step division and we have 1 plus the whole thing. So when you have 1 plus the whole thing, the reciprocal applies over here. That's very important in noting down here. First, what I will write, I'll write 1 and 3. Then how many steps are to be done here? You have here 3 blanks to be placed. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So I'm putting a laser point over here to indicate how many blanks to be placed. For the first blank, what is the sign over here, which is minus? So I will be doing here between them, that is 3 minus 1. I'll be getting here 2. Then next for the second blank, I'm having here the positive sign. So now I'm going to add between these two values, that is 2 plus 3. I'll be getting here 5. The next what I will do, the third blank is for the positive sign and I'm going to add these two values. It is 5 plus 2. I will be getting over here, it is 7. So now I should not write just write as 5 by 7. Now I have to write here as reciprocal of 5 by 7, which is nothing but 7 upon 5. That's very important in noting down. Now let's move on to the last problem over here. So in this last problem, when you observe here, the previous problem you had your positive sign, now you have your negative sign. So alternatively plus minus, here minus plus everything is there. So first I will write 9, then I will write 2. How many blanks to be placed? 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks to be placed out here. So first I'll write 9, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks to be placed. Now for the first blank, look out the sign over here, which is plus. So now I'm going to add these two values, which is 2 plus 9, that is 11. Now look out the second blank, I'm having here minus. So now the sign to be performed here, it is 11 minus 2, which is 9. Now for the third blank, it is plus. So now I will do my calculation over here. It is plus. That is 9 plus 11. I'll be getting here 20. Now for the last one, I'm having here minus. So now I'm going to perform here. That is 20 minus 9. I'll be getting here 11. So now here also we have to look carefully here. We have one minus of that step-by-step fraction. When you have in that format, I will be writing the reciprocal. That's very, very important. reciprocal of 20 by 11, which is nothing but 11 upon 20. So now it is very easy for you to do such calculation. Also, please look on to the previous cases. You will be able to understand what we have done in each and every case. Okay, keep practicing more and more problems. If you have any doubts, please comment me. If you want any such concepts also, you can just comment me. Okay, students, bye, take care.